Alright, my friend, this is your Tonto. Just missing a arm and a foot. Here's the one that you sent me to replace the arm. Right? So first thing first, I'm gonna crack open so I can take the arm off. There's that. So here's the arm that I'm gonna replace. First, I'm gonna reach into the spring and straighten the little metal hook to attach the arm onto the spring. So here's your right replacement arm. Like I said, I opened the little hook so I can put it back into the original Tonto's spring. For the legs, I found this set of legs, which is in good condition. The skin tone is a little lighter, but it's not as light as the, of course, the Ranger. There's gonna be a little bit of difference in the skin tone, but not much. This is your original. This is the new leg that I'm gonna replace. There's one with the missing foot. What I'm gonna do with the replacement leg, I'm gonna pry open this clamp, the clamp onto the elastic. I'm gonna pry it open so I can take the leg off the crutch. Alright, my friends, so here's the leg, and here's the little clamp that goes into the elastic. I have to do it off the camera because it was a long process to take it off and open it. So elastic is pretty good. I'm gonna put this through the crutch and pull it, and then clamp this onto the elastic. I'm gonna go ahead now and this head is gonna go away. This is gonna go away. This is gonna leave your new leg with new arm. And I'm ready to open your Tonto. The only way to replace the arm is crack open the chest, then put this onto the spring. You can have your new arm, and then once I pull this, I'm gonna take this off and put the new leg in. There we go. There it goes. So here's your head, front chest, back chest. So I'm gonna go right ahead and take the broken arm off and put the new one in. Touch the new one in. Okay, so I cut off the broken one because he's gonna attach the new right arm onto your set of spread. To do that, I gotta put it in and then close this back into like a loop. I gotta put this in there and then close this, put it into like a loop. Alright my friend, here's the new arm. This is your original left arm. This is the replacement, the new right arm. As you can see in there, I put it in. It's safe, it won't go anywhere. Now I'm gonna do this part. I'm gonna take this leg off, put this one in. Right? So, here we go. We just start by cutting this off. But this elastic is really good. Right leg is out. I'm just gonna put this one in, pull the elastic, and put the new clamp on. I attach this string onto the elastic so I can fish it out through here and be a little easier. Loose. Almost there. Second try. Finally got the elastic through. I'm going to take this string off and I'm going to clamp this here. I'm going to clamp it there so I can put it on the body now. So this is your new leg, right? So this is a replacement. As I said, this is the clamp. This is the clamp for your original Tonto. This secondary one for the new leg. I'm gonna put everything together now. So this goes right here, holding the legs in place. Okay. So your arm's gonna go here. Okay. We're gonna put the front. I try to do all that on a video so you can see the process. So I'm getting ready for this part. Got the body laid on top of a battery. This is your new arm with your original spring. Alright, so here's your, you have to align everything in order for me to be able to glue it back. So I'll go ahead and glue what is needed. This is your original chest. Glue, align the head, and go ahead and pop this up. Put this, leave it there for a few minutes. Alright, so this is the result. You have your original Tonto with a new replacement arm, a new leg. Like I said, the skin tone is a bit different, but you know, once it has the hand tone you want. Your childhood Tonto with no body parts.